Jewelry, by BDK, handmade magic in every hue, color in the beat, story in the line, art on your skin, let your spirit shine. Jewelry by BDK, bold, divine, crafted with love, one beat at a time. Wear your truth, let your style speak loud. This is jewelry by BDK. Stand strong, stand proud. When the world gets loud, you bring me peace. Your love is when my worry cease. You hold me like you know my soul, like you see the parts I never show. Your voice is velvet in the dark. Every word leaves a tender mark. I don't need anything but you, right here where the love feels true. Let the silence speak tonight. Let your heartbeat be my light. There's a love in the quiet with you, soft and steady, warm and true. No rush, no need to move. Just let our hearts find their groove. There's love in the quiet with you, a place only we can get to. Hold me close, let the night come through. There's a love in the quiet with you. You trace my skin like a gentle prayer. Every touch says I'm right here. You breathe slow and I follow suit. Your love hits deep, tender and true. Your presence feels like a sacred space, where I can finally exhale grace. I lose myself in your embrace every time you touch my face. Let the night be soft and steady. Tell me when your heart is ready. If love is a whisper, let it speak. Right here in the quiet we keep. There's a love in the quiet with you. Soft and steady, warm and true. Yeah, your touch feels like a quiet sunrise, soft and golden, waking up my mind. You breathe slow and I fall right in. Every moment with you feels like home again. You move gentle like you know my heart, like you studied every fragile part. I don't rush when I'm here with you. Time slows down like it once was too. Stay right here, don't let go. Let your heartbeat tell me what I need to know. I'm falling softly into you, like the night falls into the moon. Hold me close, don't let me lose this feeling only you can do. I'm falling softly into you, deeper than I ever knew. Baby, let this moment bloom. I'm falling softly into you. You whisper love like a gentle breeze. Every word puts my soul at ease. You kiss so and I melt inside. Baby, you're the calm in my wild ride. Your hands speak things you'll never say, but I hear Tell me when your heart is ready. If love is a river, let it flow. I'm right here, I'm not letting go. I'm falling softly. Deeper than I ever I'm falling softly into you. Deeper than I ever knew. Yeah. Late night and the moon feels golden. Your touch says things you never spoken. You pull me in with the quiet fire, soft and slow, just the way I desire. Your heartbeat moves like a gentle drum. Every step you take, I come undone. You got a way of making time stand still. Boy, you know exactly how to make me feel. Don't rush, let the moment breathe. Stay right here with me. Give me that slow burn love, warm like the sun rising up. Every touch is sweet enough to make my heart beat open up. Baby, keep that steady groove, nice and easy when you move. Hold me close, don't let me lose. Give me that slow burn love from you. You talk soft, but your eyes say more. Pull me in like you've been here before. Every whisper feels like velvet skin. Every sigh invites me in. You got a rhythm that fits my soul, a tender pace that feels like home. I'm falling deeper with every beat. Your love's a song on repeat. Give me that slow burn love, warm like the sun rising up. Every touch is sweet enough to make my heart beat open up. Baby, keep that steady groove, nice and easy when you move. Hold me close, don't let me lose. Give me that slow burn love. Give me that slow burn love. Let the night wrap around us slow. No need to hurry where we go. Your hands speak truth, I can't deny. You're the calm inside my world. If love's a flame, then let it glow. Soft and steady, let it grow. I'm right here, I'm falling through into this slow burn made by you.
Your voice feels like a quiet sunrise, soft and steady, pulling me inside. Every moment with you slows the world down. I breathe you in peace is what I found. You touch my hand and all my doubts fade. You turn my storms into a gentle wave. I didn't know love could feel this calm, like a whisper wrapped around my palm. You hold me like you know my soul, like every broken piece you stole and made it whole again. Baby, you're the place my heart rests, the rhythm in my chest, the softness and the stress. You love me like I'm blessed. Hold me close and don't let go. Let the night move nice and slow. In your arms I finally know where my heart rests, where my heart. You see the parts of me I hide away, and love me through the things I never say. You're in my silence like a melody, a quiet song you play so carefully. Ooh, you trace the edges of my fear with grace and kiss the shadows I don't like to face. You made me feel like I belong, like I've been safe with you all along. Baby, you're the place my heart rests. Ooh, the rhythm in my chest, the rhythm in my chest, softness and the stress. Ooh, you love me like I'm blessed. You love me like. Hold me close and don't let go, go, go. Let the night move nice and slow, slow, slow. In your arms I finally know where my heart rests. Oh, 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 oh. Stay right here, don't change the pace. Let your heart beat at the space. Every breath you give feels true, every moment pulls me back to you. If love is home, then you're my door, my quiet peace, my evermore. I've never felt a love this deep. You're the dream I get to keep. Baby, you're the place my heart rests, the rhythm in my chest, the calm inside the mess, calm inside the mess. You love me like I'm blessed, 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 blessed. Your hands fit perfectly with mine, like they were shaped by design. You breathe soft and I lean in. Feels like the start of something again. Your voice is velvet in my ear.